Hey guys, today I'm going to cook a beef shank in the slow cooker. So let's get crocking. I have a 1.8 pound beef shank, bone-in beef shank here that I took out of the freezer last night. There's no price on it. This was given to me, so it didn't cost me anything. So I'm just going to get it out of here, see what it looks like. Okay. Alright, so it's got a big bone in the middle like that, so not a lot of meat, a lot of bone. So I'm just going to go ahead and put that in a dry slow cooker. And I'm going to season this on both sides with some kosher salt and some Johnny's seasoned pepper. I use this all the time. Besides pepper, it has sugar, red and green bell pepper, garlic, and onion in it. And we'll get the lid on there. And I'm going to cook this on low and let you guys know how long it takes. It's been about 7 hours, so let's check on this. Seems like it's pretty tender. Looks like the bone will come out. I think that's pretty good. I'm going to get it out of there and we'll try it out. So this was in there about 7 hours on low, so let's see how it turned out here. Bone pulls right out. Okay. See how this looks. I don't know how tender. Yeah, I can just cut it with a fork. Look at that. That actually looks pretty good. Let's try a bite of this here. That came out pretty good. It's pretty tender. It has a pretty nice beefy flavor. I guess we'll see what Annie and Lucy think. Trimmed a little fat off the outside, so we'll give the pups a taste here. There you go, Luce. Looks a little chewy. They're having to chew that fat a little bit. The meat was tender though. I thought it turned out pretty good. I was just looking at this inside the bone marrow, I guess is what you call that. I don't know if you can eat that or not. I guess you can. It looks kind of like slimy and yucky. I don't know if I want to try it. Doesn't look that appetizing to me, but I guess some people do eat that, so I guess you can eat that if you want, but I'm not going to. So that was in there on low for about 7 hours, so I'd say probably 7 or 8 hours. And I didn't add any liquid. I just put it in there dry, and it made liquid as it cooked. And that one was given to me, but I saw some of those in the store, and I remember thinking they weren't really very expensive, maybe $3 or $4 a piece, something like that. They really weren't that much, and I thought they turned out pretty good. So anyway, I'll write everything in the description. Hope you guys are doing good. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.